Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, cement hoist and tower crane equipment company, Ltd is committed to providing the most complete, reliable and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the SCCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. McElroy's largest machine to date, the Talon 2000, offers a revolutionary new way to weld large thermoplastic pipe with outside diameters ranging from 54 to 78 inches, which is growing in demand to replace aging infrastructure and increase productivity for various modern applications. The machine is a self-propelled vehicle with a unique ability to safely lift the pipe from the ground, position it for welding and move it from joint to joint along the pipe. It has a fast-acting torch and electric indexer for accurate and safe positioning of the heater and torch on the welding machine. ythechusa Trex 44 is designed for mowing vegetation from slopes and other areas considered risky and uncomfortable for humans. The technique has a lower center of gravity, works well on rough terrain, and has durable tracks. The patented hybrid power system generates the power needed to drive high-torque DC motors. This hybrid slope mower is not only powerful, it's also environmentally friendly. It exerts the lowest ground pressure of any mower of its kind, thus preventing erosion processes. The T-Rex has full remote control of starting, stopping, and traveling, as well as blade opening with the Ogura electric clutch. The operating range is up to 2,000 feet from the controller with a battery life of up to 20 hours. The most common application for the SR rotary screening bucket from VTNNs is to break up existing soil into a finer product that can be reused on site for paving and backfilling. But we're not going to think about standardized terms, are we? In fact, with the right choice. And that's our bucket can be used to sift through construction debris, soil, foundry, slag, quarry, waste, gravel, sand, glass, tile, gypsum, grass, clumps, and so forth. In this way, it's possible to significantly reduce the amount of material that needs to be transported to and from the site. By the way, the minimum size of the material to be screened is 0.8 inches, and the maximum size is 4 inches. The 870 AM wheeled excavator model is manufactured by Cinnabon, and it's a 66-tonne machine with a Caterpillar engine with a power output of 313 kilowatts or 419 horsepower. Cinnabon and model 870 AM can be referred to as the largest segment of machines in the category of wheeled excavators. The bucket volume is 1.53 yards cubed, which is above average for machines of this type. The machine has been equipped with air conditioning, a backhoe loader, and an overload warning system. It comes on sale without pneumatic guides. Quick release hydraulic linkage. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.